Hey there, this is Pritesh and I am back with another interesting video, and this time we are trying to break or build a new habit along with a accountable person, as in it can be a friend, partner or anyone who you trust. But importantly, this should be done with someone who is also following the same track, as in you both are trying to build or break the same habit. And why does that exactly help? Because in our previous video, if you have missed that video, you might just check it out. In that video, I mentioned how you can do that alone, as in building a new habit alone. But often it happens that we tend to get out of the track, or maybe we just get demotivated after doing for a few days, and that's how we lose track and probably get out of our habit building journey. But when you have someone in place and also competing with you, that's how it's a fun element, and that's how it's a competition. You don't want to lose a competition. Maybe you can keep prizes or some punishments for the winner and loser amongst yourself, totally up to you, to just make it spicier. But yeah, like you can do that, and we'll see how exactly this can be done. Let's say there are two friends who want to quit smoking. Let's call them Dholu and Bolu. It can be you and your friend as well. By the way, I don't smoke, so this is just an example. So on day one, you both start, as in on day one, both of them don't smoke at all. On day two, again, same thing. On day three, probably Dholu just maintains the streak, but Bolu kind of smokes outside, and that's how it just reflects on the graph. And this happens for at least a month, and that's how we keep on tracking the progress. So let's say this happened like this, and by the end of the month we realize that one of the friends is having a higher chart and that person is leading, and this can be a fun element to compete with each other. So this actually helps you build some habit or even break the ones that you don't want to continue with, and this is how this sheet will help you out along with the progress that you want to make. So yeah, that was all about this video. Let me know if you have suggestions or doubts in the comment section. Don't miss out the previous video that I shared. It's very similar and it will help you out, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.